Today, I'm going to show you how to change the default zoom settings in Google Chrome. So every website you visit automatically opens at the size that's most comfortable for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust Chrome's page zoom to fit your preferences, whether you want to see more on your screen or make everything larger and easier to read. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. If you're already using Chrome, make sure you're on your main window with no pop-ups in the way. This is where everything starts, and it's pretty much the foundation for any browser tweak. Next, look in the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll spot three little dots arranged vertically. That's your menu button. Click on that, and a drop-down will appear with a bunch of options. Don't be overwhelmed if you see a big list. We're just going to focus on Settings. Go ahead and select that. It's usually towards the bottom of the list, right above Help and Exit. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll see a bazillion options on the left sidebar. What you want to look for is Appearance. Click on Appearance and the page will shift to some display-related choices. Now, scroll down gently. Don't rush past, or you might miss what we're looking for. After a few short scrolls, you'll spot the section called Page Zoom. This is where the magic happens. Right now, by default, Chrome probably has page zoom set to 100%. That means web pages load at their regular size. If you find text tough to read, or maybe your monitor is super high res and everything looks tiny, this is where you can fix that. Click on the 100% button, and a list of percentages will pop up, ranging from smaller sizes like 25% all the way up to 500%. You don't have to stick with 100%. You can adjust it up or down until websites look just right for your eyes. For example, maybe you'd like everything bumped up to 125%, which can make text and images a little bigger and easier to see without going overboard. Or, if you love fitting more content on screen and don't mind things being smaller, 90% or even 75% might be perfect. Just keep in mind that every website you open from now on will use the zoom level you pick. So it's really about what feels right to you. I always recommend spending a moment experimenting here. Switch between zoom settings, glance at a couple favorite sites, and see what makes browsing the most comfortable. There's no need to worry if you're not sure which zoom percentage to choose at first. You can always come back to this setting and adjust it again. And don't stress if a certain site looks odd at a particular zoom. Some web pages are designed in quirky ways, but your global setting in Chrome usually handles most sites pretty well. So once you've picked your ideal zoom percentage, that's it. Chrome will save your selection automatically, and you're good to go. From now on, every new tab or site will display at your chosen size, making your browsing experience a lot friendlier and tailored to you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you've got questions or run into any snags. I read every single one. And if you want more easy tutorials on browser tips, Chrome tricks, and all things tech, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.